Hello guys, my name is John, and in this video I'm gonna tell you fridge and cold drinks business. So to start this business, you are going to be selling drinks, cold drinks including water, soda, juice. So you need a medium sized fridge that costs around 400k. Yeah, with a big one costs around 800k. Yeah, so with the water you are going to be selling, you need to boil water. It's boiled water, because you're not going to sell water which is dirty. You need a big saucepan to to boil water from. And then you're going to need buckets, knives and spoons. So that costs around 100k. Making passion fruit juice, you can get from 100k. It starts from fruit juice starts from 1k a cup. Boiled pineapple is at 1k, and boiled water starting from 500. Yeah, so you just rent a kiosk or a small room in town, or you get a canteen with this time edibles and escorts, including like snacks. It is such a profitable venture with less capital. It's less than $1 million to start this business. Some add events to pack in plastic bottles. So you will be packing plastic bottles, water in plastic bottles, juice in plastic bottles, because are disposable. Yeah. So yeah, you can make 30k a day. This business works better during sunny period, and it is affected by rainy season. That's when the demand. So if you want to make more money with this business, you need to go to a city center, and basically they are in parks, city centers, a place like a center where people from different people who travel meet. All right, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, like and subscribe for more. My name is John, Zero Capital Business Ideas. Alright, when you want to know more information about this business, I'm just brief in these videos, but if you want to know more information, the real information you need, just send us a message in our WhatsApp. You can check it in the description. Alright, honestly, thank you so much for watching. I want to see you in the next video. Alright, peace.